Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Puerto Rican white rice in the caldero my style. This is a very beginner friendly and easy recipe, and I'll be showing you in simple steps in how to make this delicious, versatile rice that pairs with so many different side dishes. So stay tuned. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 cups of medium grain white rice inside my rice strainer. This is called the Japanese rice strainer, and I bought it on Amazon for like $9 or so, and it is perfect for washing medium grain rice. So what I'm doing here, I'm just simply running cold water in my rice to try to get the water as clear as possible to remove most of the starch off. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to my caldero, and then next I will add half a tablespoon of salt. After I have added my salt and my oil, I'm going to simply add 2 3/4 cups of water, and then after I add the water, I'm going to set my caldero over high heat and let it come to a boil. Now that my water has come to a boil over high heat, it is time to add my rice. Notice how the cold rice immediately changes the temperature in the boiling water and then it stops boiling. That is totally normal and okay, and it's not going to ruin your rice. Now that my rice is added, I will give it a nice stir and wait a couple of minutes with the lid off until the water comes right back up to a simmer. Alright, now that my water has reached a nice simmer, I will bring the temperature down to medium heat. I'm going to place the lid, and then I will check on my rice in a few minutes. Alright, so the rice has been cooking for about 8 minutes or so over medium heat. It is 50% cooked, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give everything a nice stir and bring everything to the middle. I like to do this to prevent the rice from sticking too much to the sides. So your rice should look like this. There should be a couple of raw pieces mixed in with a couple of fully cooked pieces. They should not be mushy. The grains of the rice should not be split open. It should be a perfect combination of raw and cooked. So after I do this, I'm going to cover my caldero. I'm going to set the temperature to very low, and I'm going to let it continue cooking for about 10 minutes until it is done. This is the end result. It was quick, it was easy. I now have rice that is fluffy, seasoned, and fully cooked. It's not mushy, nor are there any raw pieces. And just an FYI, if you do have a couple of raw pieces, that is totally fine. Just cover your pot and let it continue cooking for a few more minutes until all of those raw pieces are cooked. All right, and that's it. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share my video to help my little channel grow. Until next time.